The goal is to be able to take a 3D movie, that is 2 movies synchronized. Both cameras are in slow motion mode. Those are RX10 Sony cameras. You see now they are in standby at 1000 fps, both of them. Of course, the zoom should be the same, focusing should be the same, and so on. Now, you see they are connected with a VMC MM2 cable from Sony, so they are synchronized. And you see here, with the master camera, I will trigger both cameras. So this is the trigger. It goes to a triggerist system vintage with a solenoid inside. And this goes to, with 10 meters of wire, goes to a power supply, which is 6 batteries giving 9 volts. And here you go with a cable to the manual trigger. So when I press the trigger, you will see and hear that the 2 cameras will start recording. Okay, the system is ready. The trigger is ready. Both cameras are in standby. Now press the button. That's it.